In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove comments in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've ever received a PDF full of highlights, sticky notes, text boxes, or drawings, and you're ready for a clean, final version, this walkthrough will show you how to clear those visual markups quickly and confidently. First, launch Adobe Acrobat on your device. Give it a moment to load so all tools initialize properly. If Acrobat opens to the home view, that's perfect. You're exactly where you need to be. Next, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. You can use the File menu to open your document or simply drag and drop the PDF into the Acrobat window. Once it's open, take a quick glance through the pages so you know where the comments and markups appear. It helps to zoom in a bit if the document is dense or if the markups are small. Now click directly on the visual comment markup you want to remove. This could be a sticky note icon, a text box or callout, a highlight over text, or a drawing like a line, arrow, or shape. Make sure you're selecting the markup itself, not the underlying text. You'll usually see a selection outline or small handles appear when the markup is properly selected. For highlights, try clicking right on the colored area. For text boxes and callouts, click the border. For drawings, click the line or shape until you see the selection indicators. If you're unsure you've selected it, try zooming in a little more for precision. With the markup selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. The annotation should disappear immediately from the page. If nothing happens, double-check that the markup is truly selected and that you're not in a text editing mode. Also, verify the file isn't view-only or restricted. If you prefer using your mouse, you can also right-click directly on the markup and choose Delete from the context menu. This is especially handy if you're on a device where the Delete key is mapped differently, or if you just like to confirm actions with a menu command. On a trackpad, a two-finger click or a long press may bring up the same menu. If you remove something by mistake, don't worry. Use Undo to bring it back. When you're finished tidying up the document, save your file so your changes stick. That's all it takes. Open your PDF, select the markup you don't need, and delete it, either with the keyboard or a quick right-click.